Westgate Chevrolet. Today we're taking a quick look at some of the interior and exterior features on our 2018 Chevrolet Silverado High Country. This vehicle is featured in white metallic paint with chrome front grille, blacked out Chevrolet emblems, alloy rims, as well as rear privacy tint, power extendable running boards, heated and cooled leather seats, reverse camera, and sunroof. Now moving on to the interior of the Silverado, we'll take a look at a few of the interior features, starting off with the door panel. We have our black leather, chrome door handle, memory seat controls, and then we have our power window and power mirror controls with power mirror fold-in, wooden trim, and below that we have our Bose speaker and storage. Side of the seat we have power seat adjustment and lumbar support. And then off to the left of the steering wheel we have our trailer brake, four-wheel drive system, and lighting settings. Gauge cluster with screen in the middle. Controls for that screen are found off to the right of the steering wheel. We also have off to the left our cruise control, front collision alert, and heated steering wheel option. The wheels wrapped in black leather with gray stitching. And then we have our infotainment screen, which displays our audio phone, projection for our phone, navigation. And we have our applications and audiobooks. And we also have an integrated reverse camera with adaptive guidelines. Below we have our radio and climate controls, dual zone, as well as our heated and cooled seats, pedal adjustment, traction control, truck bed lighting, park assist, lane departure warning, and power extendable running board on and off toggle. Then we have a 3-prong outlet, two 12-volt charging ports, and a couple of USBs. Center area we have storage, 2 cup holders, then our wireless charging pad. Inside we have an additional 2 USBs, auxiliary input, and 12-volt charging port, as well as a deep center console. The front seats are featured with High Country badging in the headrest and perforated leather in the lower portion of the seat. And these are heated and cooled again. On the rear view mirror we have our OnStar controls. Above that are dome lights and dome light settings, 3 garage door openers, sunroof and moonroof controls, sunglass holder, and our sunroof and moonroof overhead. Now moving back onto the exterior of the High Country, we can take a closer look at our black and chrome alloy rims with Chevrolet badge center caps. We have our High Country badging featured in chrome, and our power extendable running boards tucked underneath. Go ahead and open the door and see they slide out. We also have chrome door handles and mirror caps. See that rear privacy tint. 4x4 badging around to the rear. And then we have our paint match bumper with bumper steps, Silverado and High Country again in chrome, blacked out Chevrolet emblem, and rear soft tonneau cover. Now moving on to the rear interior of the Silverado, we'll take a look at the rear door panel, which features our chrome door handle, wooden trim, window controls, speaker, and storage. Back of the front seats we have leather magazine holders. In back of the center console area we have storage and a 12-volt charging port. The rear seats are also featured in black leather with some gray piping and trim. Then we have our perforated leather in the lower portion, as well as a fold-out center seat featuring 2 cup holders. Thank you for joining me for this video walk around of the 2018 Chevrolet Silverado High Country. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more daily Chevrolet videos, and we hope to see you in at Westgate Chevrolet sometime very soon.